Hey guys, we're at one of our commercial properties and I just wanted to show you what we do when it comes to our plant beds. So we install our plants, our flowers, our seasonal flowers. Let me show you real quick what it looks like. This is just one of a few that we have, but what we usually do is we'll put down some plant bed pre-emergent. You know, you can use Preen, which you can buy at the Home Depot, or Snapshot, which you can buy at Source One, which is a more powerful. Snapshot pre-emergent works for 6 to 7 months, where the Home Depot you have to change it out. I mean, add new one every 2 to 3 months. Okay, and then you put it down with the granules, and then what you do is you put down your mulch on top of it. Okay, and I'm not saying okay a lot. Apologize for that. This is the container. I need to get another top, and I'm doing this with my with my cell phone. This is what I use, and let me see. This is what the granules look like. All right. Good morning. How are you? So this is what we put down. That's the way we do it, and it'll minimize big time the weeds from growing up in the plant bed, but it's not gonna stop the grass from growing, but it will stop the weeds from growing. So there is a difference. You put down the pre-emergent and the mulch. This is what it looks like. This is one of 6 beds. The Penta. This is Pentas. All right, let's go ahead and move on to the next job. Let's head over to the next job site. Which is a couple of feet down the street, and here we are. Look at that cut, guys. Huh? Now, this cut was done with the I'm sorry, I got distracted there. The laser edge blades. I've been using them for the past close to a month and a half. I haven't sharpened no blades in a month and a half. I haven't taken anything off in a month and a half. The only thing I've done is lift up the deck to clean under the deck. But look at that. That one was done with the Vantage 36, and that one was done with the Vantage 48. My blades are still sharp. One pass. All right. Let me blow this off and keep it moving. I'll show you what it looks like once I blow it off. All blown off. That's sharp, man. That's very sharp. Now let me show you guys just with a domination. Yo, I like that domination line that you did right there. Look at that, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's a domination line, just with a mow. Nice job, man.
Appreciate it.
Let's move on to the next one. And we have 6 in this subdivision, so We just hitting them up one at a time. Just a big circle.
Damn. You sure you don't want to do the hotels today, man?
All right, the other one, and this is what I was telling you about for those who've been following my videos. This is the one that had the whole bunch of leaves and it wasn't a cleanup. Yeah, we're gonna just put that over there. So you see what it's looking like. So all the leaves are kind of decomposed. So now it's just a basic mow and a blow. And yeah, they save themselves a lot of money, you know, doing it this way. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hook it up here. All right. This is the final look, and it turned out pretty good. Not bad, huh? Good. And this one was mowed at 2.5 inches. On to the next. All right, so today was an eventful day. Definitely an eventful day. We had a customer ask us to trim a shrub, a pretty large shrub. Take about a foot off the top. Come to find out, man, we had to, once we took that off, she wanted another 2 feet off. And that took us about an extra hour. And man, my shoulders are killing me. So I couldn't continue filming, guys. But y'all be all right. No, other than that, guys, thank you for your support. You know, I don't know what else to say, man. Today, and it's hot. It's hot as heck. Hey, what's the temperature right now? You know? About 86. Yeah, it's hot, man. So, see y'all tomorrow. Pop Smoke. Peace.